Hello and welcome back to the live coding stream. This is Matt. Let me just check if it's working. Alright, so welcome back to the live coding stream made by Mobile Programmation. This is Matt, and today we're going to have a closer look at our custom search block generated by our custom module, and hopefully we'll improve it. For those who are just joining us, what we're trying to do is set up two different search with two different views. They have their own URL, so what we're going to need is two different way of getting these to react to the actual URL. So the way I'm going to do this is to input some JavaScript that will get this variable right there and input it right here, right after the base URL, so we'll get the good path. To do so, we're going to create a new folder, call it JavaScript, create a new file, of course. Let me look for it. Alright. So we are going to get to get the variable we're going to get from our PHP module. Let me just check out the Drupal architecture for that kind of stuff. So first off, we need some basic settings. We don't need the base path. We're going to need the target URL. The rest isn't really important. Then we are going to ask Drupal to add this file to our current workflow. As always, if you have any question, I'm going to go fast and not explain everything. If you have any question, you could either comment on YouTube or comment right now on Justin TV. This is a live stream, so feel free to ask any question or comment. So my settings will be the target URL. We don't need anything else for now. We're going to need though should be okay.
Insight, foresight, more sight. The clock on the wall reads a quarter past midnight.
Of course, we need to add our file. This is a very important way of doing it. Get the path you need. Yep, like this. and the context. Okay. First off, let's check if we get the right thing. No, we don't. This should do the trick. I don't get why it's not working right now. Module plus our name. Yeah, looks like it. Alright, so let's see if this is going to answer correctly. No, it's not. Let's check our module name to be sure we're not doing some kind of problem. Yeah, I don't think. Let me check in another module if this is working. Yeah, should be. Perhaps the name of my module isn't correct. Oh, it's called MP search block. Yeah. Yeah, my bad. Little confused by this name, block view. Good. Okay. So we register our two JavaScript variable, either my settings or my file. I'm sorry, I get a little nervous when it's not easy to read. Good. As you can see, we have the alert. So what we now need is this. This is the Drupal variable that Drupal sends to every JavaScript on your website. We have, as you know, registered settings for our module. So if we're going to check this, of course, I should fix my module name before I do that. It's entry search block. Okay. Then what we need is the target. I never remember the exact word, so let me just check. Good. Alright. So what we'll need in fact is the base URL also. Okay. Let's try and hit refresh. Ah.
I stand firm for a soil. Liquor I come for, so they seduce me. Dress me up in stitsy.
Setting.
Round the corner where I shelter. Isms is a schism. The living out of style. If you believe or deceive, common sense says shouldn't receive. Let me take you down the corridors of my life. And when you walk to your preference. No need to answer till I take further evidence. I seem to need a reference to get
path.
a reference to your
Yeah.
preference to say I'm a good neighbor. I trust to judge me from my label. About the moon ensures my good behavior. The constant struggle ensures my insanity. Passing the ignorance ensures
Drupal settings, the name of my module plus the name of my variable. This is correct.
The kill which I share with my passengers. We take our fill, take our fill, take our
Undefined, really.
I stand firm for a soil. Liquor I come for.
Maybe I need to wait for the whole page to load up before I go look out for my variable. Let me check real quick in my theme what it says about that. So what I should need is something like this around it, I think. So this will require the whole page to be loaded out before I actually go looking for my variable, which I think nope.
I stand firm for a soil. Liquor I come for. Seduce me. Dress me up in stitsy. Hands round the corner where I shelter. My brain thinks bomb-like. My brain thinks bomb-like.
Inside another array purely for namespacing purpose. And I define setting as well. Access these. Code as follows. Okay. It's as if this wasn't recorded. Target URL right there. Base URL. Okay. And what it says is undefined. Why is that? Okay, so we have an object. We just don't have this. Weird, because it's the exact same thing as the variable we use here, that we add as settings. So maybe this is recorded before the actual settings could get to it. Let me try something out. Good. So what I actually did is I implemented jQuery on my script, and I waited for the whole document to load out before actually getting my settings. That way we made sure that every single script was loaded before checking out the architecture. Exactly. So let's try it out. Normally when I'll hit submit, what's going to happen is normally it should go fetch this URL and check it out here, but it doesn't seem to be working. Okay, since I can use jQuery, I think I'll intercept the actual submit of the form. Checking real quick if there's a special way of doing it. I think I'll get value instead, or attribute. Oh yeah, really? Okay, that's new, so we'll get the prop instead. So when we submit this form, before we're going to submit it, we're actually going to change the target. So property target with the correct path. This sounds good. Sound, but not quite. Oh. Okay. No method prop. Oh, this is... yeah. This is because we're currently using jQuery 1.4, I think, with Drupal. So we're going to stick with the value. Attribute, I'm sorry. Okay. Let's return false and see if the change is actually going in the right place. Yeah. It would be, yeah. I confused the action with target. Let's just change this. Okay, this should be correct. We can now let it submit as usual. Good. Exactly what we were looking for. Let's remove the alert. It's no longer a fuse. Let me get some commentaries in this. Okay. Of course the page could not be found, but let's now change the target. It is test, I think. So as you can see, we have the right type of search. We're going to our search page. Okay, this is really interesting, and as you can see here, we're sharing the same title, therefore sharing the same kind of search, and it represents the good title. I mean, if I search with this, it will still be looking for the right title that we had before. This is really promising, wouldn't you say? So let's now change this, because we don't want the title exposed in there, since it's going to be in the header anyway. Now what I think will be a problem is that the title won't be exactly transferred from one search form to the other. If, for example, if I hit search right there, there won't be any title left. This is because the variable isn't transferred. So we're going to add a way to change the form there with the title we were looking for. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's not changing the path before I click submit a second time. Yeah, it's a mistake. I shouldn't be looking for the search type right now. It really doesn't help us out. I think I'll keep the target URL only for JavaScript, because what we're looking for here is if we were already searching for the type of search, which means the page is already loaded and the search was already submitted before we could even get a hand on the target URL. So this won't work for us. Let's just get these inside our settings. So this should get the value we're of our radio button.
Because I still feel high and so low. Oh, I still feel high and so low. Oh, I feel so high and so
Okay, now this should be working correctly. Alright, so this is resolved dynamically with jQuery checking the right target URL. Let's move on to our next problem. Which is the target title not inputting correctly. So, as I was saying in a previous cast, we can check this block out and modify it before it's even print on our page. I think this is the right way to go. Let's check the way I was doing previously. Okay, so right there. So we'll be doing a little form alter, which is a hook, by the way. So what we'll be needing is the form ID right there in order to get what we need. A simple way of doing it is using the Devil module, as you may know. I think this is the way we're going to do it. It's just destroy everything there and comment the hook for now. Let me check if Devil is activated on this website. Good. Then if you want to be lazy and just get the page array, it will display every variable that the page is currently using. Let's go to the right page. Good. Content. Nope. This is not exactly what we want.
Let me tell you about my mother.
Maybe it's query. No, doesn't seem like that. Really? Is that this simple? It's either that or this. Let's first try out with this. So if I'm correct, we won't be needing the page array anymore. Let's keep this on for now. Nope. Is that it? Sounds a bit weird. If not, I'm just yeah, I felt like it wouldn't work. I'm just going to get the view. Maybe it says exactly what the ID is, as a blog or as a page. It says a page, I think. Page 1, no. Settings. Mm-hmm. Okay, so all we need to do is inspect the HTML, or so it seems. So this could be our ID. Hmm. Okay.
So tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been a temptress too long. Yes, give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be I just wanna be a woman. From this time unchained, we're all looking at a different picture through this new frame of mine. 1,000 flowers could bloom. Move over and give us some room, yeah. Give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be
The hook doesn't seem to go through at all.
I just wanna be a woman.
Hmm.
So don't you stop being a man. Just take a little look from outside when you can. So tenderness, no matter if you cry. Give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be a woman. I just wanna be a woman. So I wanna be so woman.
Oh. Yeah.
This is the beginning of forever and ever. It's time to move on. So so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls.
Okay, this didn't work, I'm pretty sure of it.
For I've been a temptress too long.
If I check the content of my form, I could just add a new one. Let's say a test. Always easier to test first. No, doesn't intercept the right value. Yeah, I could go directly on the template, but
Side. Side.
I could just lay right down. I'll tell you, children, I could lay right down.
nope. Hmm.
Behind the courtroom in Long Beach while I'm awaiting to be heard on my traffic offenses, parking tickets. And I'm panicked. I'm thinking, oh my God, man, while I'm here, don't hold me. Actually, what's to stop them? I mean, what's really to stop them? Oh, I assumed that maybe someday my mother would realize that I should have gotten out. No, she was nice enough. She would have known. But still, what's to stop them? And I'm panicked. And finally, they called me.
Oh, there it is. So what we had to do is get the right hook formatter, even though if this is working, I don't see why this is not. The system is really picky. You have to get the right hook at the right moment of the page if you really want to get something going. So as you can see, my test value from here is input directly into our form. Now what we want to do is get some hidden information. Let me think of how we're going to do that. I think the type hidden exists. Let's try this out. No, it doesn't. Oh, hidden. Okay, let's try and get the default value in it. I don't think we're going to need any title. So we have the form here. Normally should be right after our new value there. Exactly. So we have this hidden field which is named test hidden and has a test value, which will implement our title value instead. So the name should be called title, I think. Yeah. Alright, this should be easy enough. So as you can see, the value is there. So if we hit search, we're going to keep our string. Of course, one of the difference is that title is going to be at the end if you do it like this. But you could always do this little trick. You'd have to know every... let's just change its weight. I think that negative 20 should do the trick. It is higher as we go down, so the lowest value is going to be output first. So if I hit search right now, we're going to have the title value as the first thing we are going to look for. Doesn't look like it's working. Let me check. So oh, the title is actually there right before the submit, as if these weren't real fields. Let's overkill and check if this changes anything. Nope. But you know, it really depends if you think it is crucial to have these kind of information at first. Honestly, I don't think it matters much because, well, this isn't really human readable anyway. It's only to copy and paste somewhere else. If I really wanted to do this properly anyway, I would be using Ajax, but we are currently not doing so because of the block right there, which prevents us from using it. You can see also we are refreshing every other variables of our search every time we're hitting this custom block. This is an intended this is really what we need, because the event page won't have nearly as much information within it. So I think this will be the end of this stream for now. We have been doing great works, working our way with our custom module to interact with different views and different form. We found a way to change another form from another view without our module going too deep in its system. Also, what we need to do right now is to change in the info. Would have a dependency now. I think it will be called views, because this is the module we are currently using to interact. So if I did this correctly, in the module page we should see okay, no, right there. So as you can see, we now requires the views module to be enabled in order to enable our custom module, and also we need chaos tool, which is itself a module that is required by views. So Drupal really understands how to make this work. We don't really need to say that we are dependent to chaos tools, since views is already saying that. Alright, so this will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something about it. I sure did. Let's see each other another stream.